Daniel Kanayo Daniel, popularly known as Daniel K. Daniel, is a famous Nollywood actor, television personality, model, voice-over artist, event manager, and a philanthropist. He was born on 22nd May 1986 in Maiduguri, Borno State, in the northern part of Nigeria. He is currently 31 years old. He is a native of Nenwe in Anire local government area of Enugu State in the southeastern part of Nigeria. He was brought up in a Christian home. His father, Chris Daniel, was an engineer, and his mother, Kande Daniel, was a broadcast journalist and former national president of Nigeria Association of Women Journalists, and currently serves as the special advisor to the Nigerian Minister of Power on Media Matters. He is the fourth child in a family of 4 children. Daniel K. Daniel attended Command Children's School in Enugu State, Nigeria, and obtained his first school leaving certificate. During his primary school days in Command Children's School, Daniel K. Daniel led the drama and debating club of his primary school. He was very intelligent and always at the top of his class. After his primary school education, Daniel K. Daniel proceeded to Command Day Secondary School in Enugu in 1996 and was later transferred to Federal Government College in Enugu in 1999, where he completed his senior secondary school education and obtained his West African Senior School Certificate. Daniel K. Daniel had the desire to be trained as a pilot, having had 3 role model fighting pilots in his family. His foster grandfather, late Air Marshal Ibrahim Alpha, was Nigerian former Chief of Air Staff, while his 3 uncles, John Chukwu, Air Vice Marshal Chris Chukwu, and Shaubi Alpha, were squadron leader in the Nigerian Air Force. His hopes to become a pilot were dashed when he was diagnosed with myopia, a short-sightedness, and was told it would be difficult to achieve his dream as a pilot with poor eyesight. At this time, his father moved to Port Harcourt in Rivers State in the southern part of Nigeria, while his mother moved to Federal Capital Territory Abuja on separate national assignments. In 2004, Daniel K. Daniel got admission into Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Awka in Anambra State, Nigeria, to study applied biochemistry. In November 2004, Daniel K. Daniel became depressed after losing his father in a ghastly auto crash, and being the 4th child in the family, he had to grow up quickly to become the man of the family. In 2005, his family relocated to Abuja after his father's death in Port Harcourt, while his studies continued in Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Awka, where he started his professional modeling career. In 2009, Daniel K. Daniel graduated with a bachelor's degree in applied biochemistry from Nnamdi Azikiwe University in Awka, Anambra State, Nigeria. After graduating from the university, he decided to manage his uncle's business, Twinkling Catering Services, a popular eatery restaurant in Gose, Zamfara State in the northern part of Nigeria for 4 months. Daniel K. Daniel started his modeling career while still in the university, doing a couple of television commercials for Xander's Cosmetics. When he returned to Abuja from the university, he took part in a few runway shows, including the Abuja Moroccan Fashion Show. After one of the shows, a supermodel by the name Stena Eunice Opera dragged Daniel K. Daniel to a movie location. The directors in the movie audition were impressed by his talent and gave him his very first acting job in the television series All About Us in 2009. He then got cast for a BBC movie titled Sarah Choice, a movie directed by Marcus Zere, in which he starred alongside with Osi Ukeje, Shehu Dada, and Sylvia Oluchi. After the success of Sarah's Choice, Daniel K. Daniel took on the role of the antagonist in the Amsterdam Motor Bus Office produced movie The Child, directed by Izu Chukwu, in which he starred alongside with Joke Silva, Alex Usufo, Buki Ahi, and Wole Ojo. After which he starred in another blockbuster movie, Ladies Men, directed by Afam Okereke, and starring popular Nollywood celebrities like Mercy Johnson, Funke Akindele, Queen Nwokoye, Ruth Kadiri, Alex Ekubo, and Chigozie Atuanya. In February 2010, Daniel K. Daniel took a break from his newfound acting career to go for his National Youth Service, which is a mandatory requirement for Nigerian university graduates. He then worked with the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) in Abuja, the Federal Capital Territory of Nigeria, as part of his National Youth Service. He returned to acting in 2011 at the end of his youth service program and starred in several movies which include Ivy, Same Difference, Paint My Life, Tempest, Lions of 76, Juju Wood, Body of the King, Book of Magic, Matchmaker, Spirit Girl, Devil in Red, Girl, Mommy Dearest, Bambitious, etc. He has also starred in several television series which include My Treasure, Spider, and Car Hire. Daniel K. Daniel was also a part of the cast in the British Broadcasting Corporation BBC radio drama series Story Story and Neighbor My Neighbor. In 2014, Daniel K. Daniel won the award for Best New Actor of the Year at the City People Entertainment Awards. Also in 2014, Daniel K. Daniel was nominated for Revelation of the Year at the Best of Nollywood Awards. On 5th March 2016, Daniel K. Daniel won the award for Best Actor in a Drama at the African Magic Choice Awards for his role in the Nigerian war thriller movie A Soldier Story. In the same year, in 2016, Daniel K. Daniel also won the award for Best Actor in a Leading Role at the African Movie Academy Awards for his portrayal as a bossman in the Nollywood blockbuster movie A Soldier Story in 2016. In 2016, Daniel K. Daniel was also nominated for Best Actor in Golden Movie Awards and Best Actor at the Nigeria Entertainment Awards. Daniel K. Daniel is currently one of the richest and most influential actors in Nigeria with an estimated net worth of $800,000.